Guys, panoorin ninyo at tapusin itong video na to ha. BICAM committee hearing sa Congress. Ito si Congressman Toby Chanco, hinuhubaran na talaga si Congressman Saldico, dati niyang kaalyado ito. At ito, nagkakasigawan sila ni Congresswoman Kimbo sa Marikina. Tingnan mo naman guys, ang laki ng budget insertion ni Saldico as a proponent. 13,803,693 pesos. Nako po, Diyos ko po. Sana kaya ito si Congressman Saldico ngayon. Talagang lantara na talaga itong pagbaliktad ni Congressman Toby Chanco. Nunahan nyo kasi yan eh. Natutulog na leon ng nabutas yan. Inuunahan ninyo. Tingnan nyo ngayon.
Eh kung ang congressman hindi pa pwedeng maging resource person at hindi natin pwedeng pa-testify under oath, eh di ibig sabihin sa usapang to, exempted ang congressman. So paano tayo mag-iimbestiga? Paano tayo tutuloy? Number one. Number two, Mr. Chair, here is the USB. Sinasabi, paano nagkaroon ng insertion? Under the name of Congressman Saldico, ang insertion sa BICAM as proponent siya is 13,803,693,000. And we do not want to invite him as a resource person.
Mr. Chair, sorry.
Comsec, can you show this? Para lang sabihin di ako
Mr. Chair, with
nag-invento.
due courtesy.
Wait, I have the floor.
Yeah,
I have the floor.
Yeah,
I have the floor.
No, Mr. Chair.
I have the floor.
Yeah, just to, on the
I have the
record,
floor.
on the record, Mr.
I
Chair.
have the floor.
We did not refuse to
I have the floor.